Did you know that 300 people are currently frozen in steel chambers waiting to be brought back to life? Google futurist Ray Kurzweil predicts that by the year 2030, microscopic robots called nanobots, they're going to be flowing through our bloodstream, making humans immortal. Now, these are just a few examples as the race to extend human health span accelerates. Innovators are shifting the focus from treating illness to preventing it, using AI, biology, and wellness tech to redefine how long and how well we can live. Now, tonight we're speaking with leaders paving the way for that shift, including investors and scientists who believe the next major leap in medicine won't just add years to life, but life to years. To tell us more, I'd like to introduce my guests in studio. I'm joined now by co-founder of welltech Ventures, Amir Alroy, and also the founder of Chorus AI, Dr. Isaac Bentwich. Gentlemen, thank you for being with us today. A lot for us to discuss. Amir, I want to begin with you because this could be an abstract concept to some of our viewers. So bring us into reality. When it comes to longevity, where are we right now? And what are we seeing with some of the research? Why an interest right now?
Yeah, I think we are experiencing a revolution. It started like a perception or a niche, but today wellness and longevity became a real dominant market. Lots of capital is going there. Academia, the best researchers all around the world are there. And you have demand, you have consumer demand. So take it all together with the AI enabling all of this shift, and you have a very interesting industry, which became a revolution.
With all of these companies out there, how do you decide which companies to actually invest in? Because there are some that are backed by science that are actually improving lifespan, but there's others that are more about the hype, the buzzwords on social media. So how do you differentiate between the two?
Yeah, so in my fund, it's all about science. It's wellness backed by science. We invest in wellness, health, longevity, and health span. We do look for the Israeli angle. So it's an Israeli-related centric fund, a global vision. We look for brilliant founders that have that motivation. We do look for founders that are AI natives, that understand the language of AI from bottom up. And as I said, global vision and lots of hard work.
Israel-centered, but global vision. So what is this global vision, and where does Israel actually stand when it comes to the global market? What are we seeing?
Yeah, I think Israel is an amazing sandbox. Israel is known for digital health. It's known for life science. But now it's becoming to be known on the prevention side, on the longevity side. You have here, you have an amazing, all the components together. You have serial entrepreneurs, you have great academia, great hospitals, HMOs, you have the experience gathered in the army, and you have the demand. So put it all together, and I think the globe is going to hear about some really great companies growing out of Israel.
Possibly companies like Chorus AI, which you are also an investor in, correct?
I truly hope so.
Truly
hope so.
Well, Dr. Bentwich, tell us more about Chorus AI. What exactly does your company do? Because it says that it can predict drug safety and efficacy using AI, as well as these patients on a chip. What does that mean?
Yeah, so really pleased to be here. What we do at Curious AI is combine two breaking technologies, cutting-edge AI, together with what is known as patients on a chip. Imagine holding your beating heart in your hands. This is now actually possible. It's possible to take a blood sample of me or you or anybody else, take it back in time to create the stem cells that we once were, and then develop a tiny version of the beating heart. Under a microscope, we can measure its EKG and test drugs on your organs before you pop them in your mouth. So it really brings us into a new era, which puts to shame the current state of affairs. It will soon be realized, looked upon as primitive, the way we live now.
And this is what you're talking about is more of the animal testing when it comes to trying out some of these tests.
You're absolutely right. This platform, which we call biointelligence or bio-AI, combining this miniaturized organs of an individual patient together with AI, allows both to accelerate drug development and do without or with less antiquated and ineffective animal testing, as well as develop drugs that are suited for an individual.
So what do you see for the future of your company then?
The world is in the midst of a revolution of personalized wellness, of prevention rather than just treatment, and of health that is designed around you rather than the average. We're not the average. We're all different. None of us would agree to buy a one-size-fits-all shirt. Why do we agree to take a one-size-fits-all pill where our liver, our heart, and all our organs are different? So we use that technology both to help our pharma partners, and we've validated that it basically allows pharma to develop safer drugs faster, and also to work with wellness consumers to allow them to fine-tune which supplements, which vitamins, which drugs are suited to them and at what dose.
A personalized medicine
That's
to truly bring us into the future. And who knows, maybe we'll be taking this medicine for 120 years if we're all going to live that long, right? Dr. Isaac Bentwich and Amir Alroy, thank you so much for being with us. A lot for us to discuss and more for us to discuss in the future of longevity, I'm sure. Thank you both very much.
Thank you very much.